Hey everyone, welcome back to Forex Scholars. I hope you have had a great start to this week and I hope you have find some good trade ideas. Lot of teeny tiny action in the dollar since today morning, and we have seen couple of pairs moving, couple of pairs still consolidating, just like the last week. And I just found some trade ideas, and I hope I can help you find better trade ideas in this week. Let's first take a look at Euro USD. I found this OB setup as a logical one because I have seen couple of breakoff structures happening, change of character happening from the same from the same OB. Multiple highs have been broken. Although you have to understand the fact that there is a huge liquidity on the upside, but given the fact that Euro USD is consolidating in a supply zone, and there is a huge chance that dollar can break its demand, I am betting on this trade. But still, I can still cancel my orders. I haven't I am not 100% sure on this trade setup because I did something very stupid today morning. If you take a look at gold, there was a trade that I took in gold around this OB, which was not required at all. This was the OB that I traded in gold because I thought that this gave change of character to these highs, but I chose to ignore that there is a huge pool of liquidity just underneath that OB, and you should never trade a liquidity OB. Just always remember this key, that whenever there is an OB, the downside of that OB should be very, very clear. You shouldn't have liquidity. If you have a lot of liquidity, then there's a 90% chance that that OB will fail, even though your conviction, your intuition will be right, your analysis will be right, that OB will not support that particular analysis. And that's how I lost 1 hour today morning. Not a great start to the week, but it's always good when you identify your mistakes. Now coming at GBP USD, I think GBP USD is again at a liquidity junction, and anything can happen from here on. That is why I'm not very much sure on Euro USD as well. Just take a look how it's coming down. So I'm a bit unsure about Euro USD as well, but still I'd like to see how this reacts. Now coming to oil, if you take a look at oil has tapped into a demand zone, and it is continuously making higher highs. The market flow of oil has been pretty good. Just take a look at here. This has been pretty good, and I think if oil gives a 1 hour break of structure or a change of character which can lead to a up move, then you should definitely look to trade on the upper side in oil as well. Now coming back to AUD USD and NZD USD, I don't think there is much action in here. AUD USD looks pretty bearish to me. One more reason why I'm not so comfortable in the euro trade idea, because the against dollar pairs are looking a bit weak, and New Zealand dollar has been consolidating for the past 1 week, so I don't see any ideas in NZD USD, but I would definitely like to see some action happening in GBP USD and Euro USD, because we have a lot of action to come in Euro USD starting from tomorrow, including the US news, including the Eurozone inflation, including the GDP growth. So there's a lot of things that can happen in Europe, but I hardly think New Zealand and Australian dollars would do something this week. So this is the analysis for the next 24 hours. I'll meet you again tomorrow night. Trade well, trade carefully, and keep a close watch in dollar index. Tomorrow's news might change a lot of things, and stick to your game plan and maintain discipline. Thank you so much, and see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.